Hey everybody, this is Andrew with Decker's Pondscapes. Today is another Tech Tip Tuesday. So today we are at the Courtyard Marriott in Clifton Park. They're having some pump problems, so we're gonna head inside and figure out what's going on. All right, so we are at the pondless right now. So what we have found out, what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna have to install a new smart controller, and we're gonna give the client a new universal remote to go with it. So come along, we're gonna go install this and we're gonna get this pondless started up. For this pondless, they use an older style adjustable pump. They're using a 2,000 to 4,000 adjustable AquaSurge pump. So what we need is an adapter. These come with the smart control panels, so it makes it a nice, easy process to make sure you can connect your older pumps to the newer smart control systems. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the wire from the pump and I'm gonna connect my adapter to it first. Nice and easily, just like that. Okay, from there, all you're gonna wanna do is find your guidelines in your smart control and the extra piece that you had, connect them together, like so, screw them on. All right, so now that our smart control panel is hooked up, we're gonna plug it in, we're gonna get this pump running, and then we're gonna connect our universal remote. We're up to the part where we're gonna sync our universal remote to our smart control panel. And to do that is pretty simple. So first thing we're gonna do is actually take the universal remote out of the box. It comes with a holder, a couple screws that you can use to drill it into whatever you want. If you want to put it on the post, you can do that. Usually we just give it to our clients so that way they can put it wherever they need it. So I'm gonna take this out of its bag. I'm going to take it out of its holster as well. And it comes with a battery that you're going to want to install into the back. Now, in the back, you've got 3 screws. You just unscrew that and put the thing together. So now that we've got our smart controller plugged in and our battery inside of our remote, now it's time to sync the remote to the smart controller. So you're gonna wanna do this within 1 minute of plugging in your smart controller. And what you're gonna do to sync the remote is you're gonna hold the plus and minus buttons down until you get a flashing number. You're gonna get a 1 or a 2. Now the difference between those is the 1 is for a small receiver, the 2 is for a larger receiver. So we have a smaller receiver, we're gonna go with 1. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold down that power button until it syncs up. And now we should be good to go. All right, guys, that's been another Tech Tip Tuesday. If this is the kind of thing you like, please like, subscribe, throw something in the comments, let us know something that you want to see and we'll get it done. And as always, enjoy your families.